I eat in a day to lose 130 pounds with PCOS. I always start off with my protein almond milk latte. For breakfast is probably my favorite, which is loaded avocado toast. We start with some avocado, we add some turkey bacon, 2 eggs, and Mike's hot honey. So good. I love this one. For lunch was a super simple tuna fish sandwich, apples, and peanut butter. For dinner, we had turkey bulgogi tacos. It's topped with kimchi, green onions, cilantro, sesame seeds, and sriracha Greek yogurt. We also used turkey so we could have more. These are so good. If you would like the recipe, please leave a comment below and I will make sure to make a video for it. Dinner, I had my PCOS drink Soul Sister. For a nighttime snack, I had some Greek yogurt flavored with my second dose of Soul Sister. This is orange dreamsicle. It tastes so good mixed in with the yogurt. It also gives it a more creamy consistency. I also topped it with some blueberries for some extra fiber.